Most traders believe their biggest enemy is the market. They think the chart is the problem, the volatility is the problem, the news, the liquidity grabs, the stop hunts, the brokers, the unpredictability. But the more time you spend in this game, the more you discover something uncomfortable and undeniable. The real battle is not out there. The real battle is inside your mind. Some of the forces controlling your trading decisions have nothing to do with discipline or knowledge. They are hidden inside your subconscious programming, inside the paradigm that silently governs your behavior. And until you understand this paradigm, you'll repeat the same mistakes again and again, no matter how much you study or how many rules you write. Think about this. How many times have you placed a trade and the very second you clicked buy or sell, you felt it was wrong? A sinking feeling in your stomach. A quiet voice saying, "Why did I do that again?" You promised yourself you wouldn't repeat the same mistake. You told yourself you were done with impulsive trades. And yet, a few days later, you did the exact same thing. This is not because you are weak. This is not because you lack discipline. This is because your subconscious paradigm is stronger than your conscious intentions.
Your paradigm is a collection of emotional habits, beliefs, memories, fears, and identity structures stored deep within your subconscious mind. This paradigm controls your impulses, your reactions, your fears, your confidence, and your trading decisions. Your conscious mind knows what to do, but your subconscious mind pulls the trigger. And until the paradigm changes, your results will not change. Bob Proctor used to say that you cannot outperform your paradigm. You cannot act consistently in a way that contradicts the identity you hold beneath awareness. That is why knowing more does not fix your trading. More lessons, more indicators, more strategies do nothing if the subconscious wiring stays the same. To change your trading results, you must change the vibration you live in, because your vibration dictates your decisions.
Everything in the universe vibrates. Every thought, every emotion, every belief carries a frequency. Fear vibrates low. Anxiety vibrates low. Confusion vibrates low. Clarity vibrates high. Confidence vibrates high. Discipline vibrates high. You do not attract what you want. You attract what you are. If you vibrate in fear, you will interpret every candle as danger. If you vibrate in greed, you will see opportunities everywhere, even where none exist. Your trading results are always a reflection of your internal vibration. This is why two traders can look at the exact same chart and see two completely different things. One sees risk, the other sees opportunity. One sees chaos, the other sees structure. One feels panic, the other feels calm. They are not seeing the chart, they are seeing their own vibration projected onto the market.
On top of this, 3 neurological forces constantly hijack your trading behavior. The first is the dopamine trap. Trading creates a variable reward system, the same mechanism that makes slot machines addictive. You never know when the next win is coming. The uncertainty triggers dopamine, not the win itself. Your brain is not addicted to making money. It is addicted to the possibility of making money. This is why 9 losing trades don't break you, but one single win resets your hope completely. The charts become your source of dopamine, and when dopamine takes over, logic disappears. The second villain is the narrative ego. Your ego is a storyteller. It cannot accept randomness or uncertainty. When you lose, The ego creates a story to protect itself. I lost because I didn't wait for confirmation. I lost because the market manipulated me. I lost because I wasn't patient enough. These stories feel logical, but they trap you. They make you overcorrect. You hesitate when you should act. You act when you should wait. You replay the same emotional stories instead of reading the chart. The third villain is the amygdala hijack. Deep inside your brain is an ancient alarm system designed to protect you from danger. When something reminds your brain of a past emotional trauma, like a big loss or a stop hunt, the amygdala activates. Blood flow moves away from your logical brain and into fight or flight mode. In that moment, you literally become less intelligent. You cannot think clearly. You are not trading with logic. You are trading with fear and survival instincts. This is not weakness. This is biology. Combine all of this and you get the paradigm loop. The paradigm controls your vibration. Your vibration controls your perception. Your perception controls your decisions. Your decisions control your results. Your results reinforce your paradigm. This is why trying harder does not work. Willpower does not work. Motivational quotes do not work. You cannot fight your subconscious through force. You must reprogram it.
And you do that through a 3-phase reconditioning protocol. The first phase is the pattern interrupt. Your job is not to be profitable. Your job is to become aware of your impulses. Every time you feel an urge to enter early, to move a stop, to chase a candle, to add size, to revenge trade, pause. Do not act. Simply observe. Write down what triggered the impulse, how it feels in your body, and what story your mind is telling you. This act pulls the impulse out of the subconscious and into the conscious mind. For the first time, you interrupt the autopilot. The second phase is ritual replacement. You cannot delete a bad habit. You can only replace it. When emotional intensity rises, your ritual must be to stand up, walk away, breathe, get water, cool your physical state, and allow your logical brain to return. This breaks the emotional hijack. It teaches your nervous system a different vibration. You are showing your mind that a loss or a trigger does not require an impulsive action.
The third phase is identity reformation. This is the most powerful part. Stop trying to act disciplined. Become a disciplined trader in identity. Shift your language. Replace "I'm trying not to revenge trade" with "I do not revenge trade." Replace "I should follow my plan" with "I am the trader who follows the plan." Identity makes discipline effortless. Actions flow naturally from identity. You no longer fight yourself. You align with who you truly are becoming. When you rewire your identity, your vibration rises. When your vibration rises, your perception becomes clear. When your perception becomes clear, your decisions follow your plan. When your decisions follow your plan, your results become consistent. This is how transformation happens. Not through force, but through alignment. Imagine two traders with the same strategy. One vibrates in fear. He exits early, hesitates, overthinks, breaks his rules, and lives in regret. The other vibrates in calm certainty. He waits. He follows his plan. He acts without emotional noise. Same chart, same setup, different internal paradigm, different results. You don't trade the market. You trade your vibration. You trade your identity. Change those, and everything changes. This is not a quick fix. This is not a 30-day challenge. This is long-term rewiring. Some days will be harder than others. Some days old habits will pull you back. That is normal. The goal is not perfection. The goal is awareness. The goal is alignment. You are undoing years of subconscious wiring and millions of years of emotional evolution. Be patient with yourself. Be committed. Continue the protocol. The shift will come. As you continue the process, you will notice the change. Impulses lose their power. Fear quiets. Clarity grows. You stop reacting and start observing. You start waiting for your setups instead of chasing candles. Your identity stabilizes, your vibration rises, and suddenly the market starts reflecting a new version of you, not because the market changed, but because you did. You are not broken. You are not stuck. You are not destined to repeat your mistakes forever. You simply have a paradigm that is overdue for an upgrade, a vibration that needs realignment, a mind ready to be understood. Your job now is to observe, interrupt, replace, and become. Do this consistently, and your trading will transform from the inside out. Your decisions will become calm. Your discipline will feel natural. Your identity will feel stable. And your results will rise to match the trader you are becoming. Because you always attract the trader you are, and the trader you become shapes your entire future.